very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this beautiful evening at the poolside of the Karama Hotel, where we are celebrating you. Now, are you surprised with what I said? Well, I'll elaborate on this a little later, but let me have a big round of applause. Let me see you putting your hands together and giving a big clap. Now, do you know for what you have clapped? Well, you have clapped for yourselves because it is your hard work, your dedication, your sacrifices by sitting late at work and getting the work done, and the compromises that your family has done to enable this company to go from step to step, step by step, and we are celebrating 9 years of this great company, Interface Technical Inspection. So a big round of applause to Interface Technical Inspection, who's celebrating 9 years of successive operations in the UAE. Now, I would like to give a bigger round of applause. Huge, huge. Come on, louder, louder. Now, this applause is for the chairman of Interface, Mr. Rafi Kalatra, and also the CEO, Mr. Abdullah Abdul Majid, and the management and the directors of Interface who have recognized your efforts. And this celebration is a testimony of the recognition of your efforts. So once again, a big round of applause to the chairman, the CEO and the management committee. We have lots of surprises in store for you. We have games, we have prizes, we have raffle draws, we have karaoke singing, and we have games to cover up everyone here. So if you want to make this evening memorable, you got to come forward and participate in the games that are lined up for later. But at the moment, I have pleasure in handing over the mic to the CEO, who will grace this occasion with a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening and namaste. We are all together again to celebrate a successful year, and I'm glad to welcome our chairman, CEO, and all the employees and the guests. I request all of you to be comfortable for the coming awards and some games, and of course our wonderful buffet. Now I would request our CEO to come up on the stage to open the party. Madjicha, please.
Assalamu alaikum, good evening and namaste. First of all, I like to thank you all for all the effort, what you did, and we reached to this 9th year. Before starting any program, we have a custom or culture of remembering our God. We helped us to make us to achieve all this, whatever we are today. Before that, I would request our chairman to come to the stage and have a seat here so that he will join me, whatever we want to share. It's okay? Before I am proceeding further, I would like to request you all spend 30 minutes to remember our God who helped us to reach here. So please stand up and stand still for 30 seconds. Thank you. We have already completed 9 years because of all of your hard work and support from our promoters and directors and our chairman. Last year, maybe some of you remember me, I started a campaign called Change for Growth, Think Differently, but it really affected the pace of the growth. You can see many people has learned a lot of things, think differently, thought differently, but some of them did not understood or don't want to change. Some of them left already the company, but still the interface is in the pace of the growth. So I would request all of you to keep the same spirit for the next coming years. Last year, we had almost 100% growth, almost 50% growth in our employee headcount, 100% growth in our equipment growth, and we had new softwares and new facilities, and we added new services to our company. And also, we achieved already 17020 with the help of all the people. Now we are one of the company who is having 17020. And we are already achieved some of the approvals from oil field companies. Now, new centralized accommodation, as I promised last year, we have a better accommodation, better transport facility, and better salary everybody is getting. And we have a new young HR to manage and help us to do the future better. And also, we have a new, maybe some of you doesn't know, we have a new lab manager called Mr. Dev. He's also with us to help us with his lot of years of experience. And we have added a new vacation policy, and all the employees got the insurance. New vacation policy has started, and we have started a new ticket policy, and more drivers and vehicles. Across the board salary increment, 100% increase in number of clients, 100% increase in client satisfaction, and we have established unit in Abu Dhabi, and we are planning for Fujairah and Qatar very soon. And more project we are getting outside Abu Dhabi, outside UAE. And also we have sent many people for training and in the company's expense, and we have more in the line which will be happen this year. So before I go further, I would like to request Mr. Chairman to say a few words before I say what we are planning for 2014. Please.
Good evening. I would like to welcome you all for our Banquet Bus 2014. I'm very happy to see you all here. This is the only day I can see you all together. I'm very proud to say that ITI is growing, but we have to increase the speed. Last year I mentioned about the birth and growth. Still, there is a long way to reach our goal. Last year we did well, not in terms of bottom line, but in terms of quality, service, good change in number of heads, number of facilities, market reach, and market share, etc. Inshallah, if you all are ready to cooperate and support, ITL will be the #1 testing company in UAE. I hope the management had fulfilled almost all the commitments. If anything left, we will implement it without further delay. Once again, I am requesting you all full-hearted cooperation and support to meet the vision and mission of our group. Have a great evening. Enjoy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Now you can see a new poster in front of you all. Before we didn't have this. This year we are introducing this. Our vision is to become the #1 company in UAE, which I start to talk about 2 years before. I know some of you were there listening my words. That time nobody understood the depth of that. Now some of you realizing that what I was telling, that we can do it. Okay. Now what we are planning for 2014, I can brief it. I don't want to waste your time on this. Just I am telling you. New services we are adding into NDT, specialized services. And separate wing for heat treatment we are planning. Very soon we will have a separate heat treatment department or division. And also corrosion department will be headed by our Mr. Dev. He's already started the preparation, which will be done within the half of this year. And separate wing for welding procedure and welding certification services. Separate division for third-party inspection services, which we are planning. A new line of business, which we are already committed to start within this year, is civil testing services, civil testing laboratory, which will become reality by the end of this year. And including geotechnical services. Branches in Qatar already planned. Iraq already we are starting the process. Saudi Arabia we are going to start the process. Oman also we are trying to start. That means in this year we planned almost 70% growth. Last year we planned only a 20% growth we achieved. But we need to go faster, as Mr. Chairman said, we need to go faster. So within few years or 2 years inside, now we are in the market share, we are maybe in the third or fourth, but we need to reach to number one, a number one in UAE. That's what our mission. Our vision is to become number one. Okay? If you all cooperate, if you all continue with the same hard work, I don't think it is difficult to achieve. Now, also we are planning for facelifting of our facility, like we are modifying our lab and new facility, new rooms and new offices and uniform for the people and more drivers and more vehicles. And also we are planning for more opportunities for the employees. Also we are starting a program called GDP, GDT means Graduate Training Program, GTP, which is anybody, any employees, relatives, son, daughter or brothers who is already in education, which is completing the graduation, we will give them opportunity to be trained in ITI, in NDT, in inspection, help their career growth. This is a good program that everybody should make use of that. Suggest someone, if you have somebody already in the college, already completed graduation, we can approach us. We will give an opportunity for them to be trained and employed by ITI in the future. So, like this way, if you all continue the same enthusiasm and same spirit, we can reach our vision within 1 or 2 years. So, let us hope within 2 years we will become the number one company in UAE. Thank you all. Now to entertain you, to rock you throughout the party, our famous DJ is here. He will be taking the mic from me. Thank you.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Congratulations to Interface, and that was Mr. Rafiq Kalatra, your chairman, and Mr. Abdul Majid, the CEO. Let's hear it for the two gentlemen. A big round of applause, please, once again. And we are sure the mission will turn to reality. And please continue doing the hard work. This is how Interface recognizes your efforts, by throwing this party. And this party is a testament of their appreciation for your hard work and dedication. Now, how many of you are ready to party? Let me see a raise of hands. How many of you want to party? No one wants to party? How many of you want to party? I want to party. How many of you? Okay, we have the first game lined up for you. Now, before that, let me ask you a question. How many of you have rowed boats? How many of you have rowed a boat? You know, in Kerala you have boats. In Philippines you have boats. How many of you have rowed boats? One. Only the staff of Karam Hotel. No one has rowed boats here? Okay. Another one. How many have made boats? How many have manufactured boats? The small boats. Still one. Okay. What you're going to do is, you're going to make boats tonight. Now, I'm sure you're going to be confused with what I'm saying. We have got 4 departments, I believe, in Interface, and I'm going to call out those departments forward. All of you have to participate in the game. Are you ready? Okay, I call upon first the staff members of NDT, which is non-destructive testing. All the members of NDT, can you rise from your chairs? NDT members? All those are in the NDT division. Please rise up and come to my left. All from NDT, please come to my left. All from NDT. We are going to make boats tonight. Come on. All from NDT. My. The party hall is getting vacant. The chairs are getting vacant. So many in NDT. Okay, all the NDTs on my left. Then I call upon the members of Quality Control Inspection, QC Inspection. Anyone from QC Inspection? Okay, all from QC Inspection to my right. All from QC Inspection to my right. QC Inspection? My. NDT is huge. QC Inspection only one? unless you're merging with NDT. The boat is going to sink there. QC, how many? Just 3? Okay, then I call upon logistics. Anyone from logistics? Can you raise your hands? Anyone from logistics? Okay, if you're from logistics, to my far right there, behind the two ladies. Behind the two ladies. You're from logistics, you got to go there. And finally, laboratory. Okay, laboratory, stand at that corner, please. Okay, now I believe NDT is too huge. So can I pinch 10 people to come this side? Not 10, 5 people. 5 people from NDT, can you come this side, please? 5 from NDT, very quickly, very quickly. I know you're loyal to department, but come forward. 5. Okay, can I take 5 from NDT to go there, please, to logistics? 5 of you to go to logistics? 5 to go to logistics? What about the ladies? Oh, you all are the spouses, I believe, of the staff, yeah? Not a problem, you can watch and enjoy the game, or you can join later. Okay, 5 of you gone there. Now can I ask 5 of you to join laboratory? 5 of you to join laboratory. Now are you all NDT? Are you all NDT? Can you go there, please, and join laboratory? Very quickly, very quickly. Yeah, you can come this side, gentlemen. Okay, all of you from there. Yeah, with a maroon shirt. Yeah, you can come here. Now, can I have a head count of how many people in your team? You got to appoint one captain for your team. Appoint anyone as a captain. Okay. No, don't worry. You don't have to do the lungi dance. You don't have to do the lungi dance. What is your name?
Praveen.
Praveen. Okay. Doesn't Praveen look like a Malayalam star for you? No, don't worry. You don't have to act. You don't have to dance. Only thing is you got to take charge of your team. Okay. Now you're going to make boats. I will explain. I'm going to select another captain from here. So don't worry. Praveen, I want you to tell me how many people are in your team. Count the number of people. Come on. You got to be active. You're a captain. Go and count the number of people. You got to select one captain among you. Wow. MS Dhoni. What's your name?
Shoaib Ansari.
Sohaib Ansari. Okay, Sohaib Ansari, just count how many people in your team. Praveen, did you count how many people? 22. Sohaib, how many? 10. You got to select one captain among you. No problem. You don't have to come forward. Don't come forward. Don't come forward. Not a problem. What's your name?
Fazul Hassan.
Faisal, can you raise your hand so that everyone sees you? Raise your hand. Don't feel shy. You're the captain. Faisal, just tell me how many people in your team. And 7. And you got to tell me, you got to select a captain for your team. Come forward, come forward, come forward. Can you raise your hand for everyone to see you? What's your name?
Gabriel.
Remo Fernandes? Sorry?
Gabriel Gomez.
Gabriel, okay. Gabriel, you got to tell me how many people in your team there, okay? Go very quickly and tell me how many people in your team. So you are 11, right? 11. Okay, Praveen, I need 3 more guys to join this team because there are too many here. 3 more guys, 3 more guys. 3 more guys. Gabriel, how many? 16. Okay. Be there. 3 more, just 3 more. Don't worry, it's just a game, just a game. Just a game. Another gentleman. Gabriel, I need 2 guys from your team to join that team. 2 guys to join that team. Any 2 guys, any 2. Very quickly, we're going to begin the game shortly. Still there's an imbalance. You're still in this team? Okay, I need a favor. 2 gentlemen, can you go to that team please, very quickly? You don't want to go? You want just to that team, yeah? And you two, can you join this team please? Can you join that team? You can join that team. You can go to that team, yeah. Okay? Now, captains, listen carefully. Listen carefully, listen carefully. Gentlemen, listen carefully. You have to make boats. I am going to show you how to make the boats, okay? Look very carefully. Now, when you make the boats, okay, ensure that you keep the boats in a plastic bag, others will be having lots of kachra here. You understand what I'm saying? So you got to make the boats and you got to keep it in your plastic bag, and whatever material is remained, you got to put it in the other plastic bag so that we don't have litter around this place, okay? Now I'll show you how to make a boat. Look very carefully, okay? Now I have these magazines. This is Friday magazine which you get normally with the Friday newspaper of Gulf News. I have taken a leaf from the magazine. Okay, I have made it into a nice square. Can you see? I have taken a page from this magazine. Sir, please don't discuss with each other. Look carefully because you'll not understand the game. You can discuss later to open a supermarket or whatever, okay? In this magazine, I have taken one page, okay? And I have made a nice square. Now, how you make a boat, look carefully, okay? Look carefully. Can I have someone holding the mic for me, please? Anyone to hold the mic? Okay, Praveen, you can hold the mic. Just hold it to my, okay? Keep it close. Now, this is a piece of paper which I have taken from the magazine. You got to fold it into half. Okay? Then fold it again to make a nice square. Then move a flap on top like this. Move one flap on top. Then move the rest behind so that you get a triangle. And then it opens into a cap. So open it like this and fold it again. It is a square. And then you get a lovely boat. Can I have a big round of applause for me, please? Now this is what you have to do. Now listen carefully. The team which makes the maximum number of boats, okay, you're on a timer. When the music stops, you got to stop making the boats. Ensure that you don't put any papers down. I'll give you 2 plastic bags. One to keep your boats in and the other one to keep the loose papers. There should not be any litter on the floor. Deal? I'll show you again how to make the boats just for your benefit. Okay, look carefully. I have taken a piece of paper from the magazine. Okay, those who are not watching, it's your loss and the team's loss. Sorry about that. Okay, this is a square I have made out of the rectangular page on the magazine. I fold it into half. Okay, I fold it into half. Then I fold it again. Okay, then I flap one side on top. Okay, one side I have flapped on top. Then the other flap, the major flap again down, so I get a triangle. And then you have to open it like this. Okay, you got to open it like this and make it into a square again. Okay, and you get a lovely boat. Okay, when you open it, you get a lovely boat. Now, your boat has to be very clean like this. If they are half open, they will not be counted. It has to be like this and not half open or shapeless. Are we ready? Okay, hold on. I will give you the magazines as well as the plastic bags. Ensure that you don't litter the place. Okay? Just bear with me for a minute. Yeah? And I'll give you the plastic bags as well. Okay, can I have the 4 captains coming forward, please? Can I have the 4 captains? Pradeep, Gabriel, and the 2 others? Okay, Praveen, this is the plastic to make the bags, to make the boats, and this is for the litter. Here, this is the magazine, this is for the boats. Okay, and this is for the litter. The bigger bag for the boats. Here's your magazine for the boats and for the litter. And the 4th captain, Gabriel, here's your magazine for the boats and the litter. Your time starts now. All the best. Maximum number of boats. Here we go.
I gotta do, push the banana, shake the tree. I gotta do, push the banana, break your feet. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing the hula melody. But she was selling the pine and playing ukulele. And when I waved to the girl, come on and teach me that way. She loved and whispered to me, yes, come tonight to the bay. The lovely beach in the sky, the moon up for white. Round the hips is around, we all were singing that song.
Teams, when the music stops, you got to stop making the boats. You have 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes.
I gotta do, push the banana, break your feet. To the left, to the right, jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night, sing the hula melody. I met a hot-blooded miss last summer in Waikiki, where she was selling the pine and playing ukulele. And when I waved to the girl, come on and teach me that way. Push the banana, shake the tree. I gotta do, push the banana, break your feet. To the left, and down into the knees. Come and dance every night, sing the hula melody.
Don't forget to put the litter in the plastic bags. The small plastic bag is for the litter. The big plastic bag is for the boats. All the best, 4 teams. I will give you extra 4 minutes. I will give you extra 4 minutes for the efforts.
The lovely beach in the sky, red moon of full white, round the hips us around, we all were singing that song.
Admin staff, you can join in with the team. All from the admin and the other departments. Please join any team you wish to. I will give you extra 4 minutes for the efforts. All the employees of other departments, administration and the other assisting departments, please join any team you wish to. The game is on.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, that was the countdown. Please stop doing the boats. Please ensure that the litter is put in the plastics. Team Pradeep and team members, there's a lot of litter on the floor. Please ensure that the litter is put in the other plastics. Captains, please ensure that the litter is put in the extra plastic bag. Okay, please ensure that your corner is clean. Pradeep and team members, please ensure that your corner is clean. Okay, there's a lot of litter there. I can see some litter there. Please pick up. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, only the captains come forward. All the other team members back to your chairs. All the team members back to your chairs. Only the captains, please come on top. We are going to begin with Shoaib's team. Shoaib and Pradeep, yeah? Praveen. Gabriel. And what's your name? Faisal. Okay, we are going to have the boats counted from Shoaib Ansari's team. Okay, I showed you how the boat has to be. Okay, now this is counted. So 1, where's the other plastic? Where's the other plastic bag? Not a problem. Not a problem. Keep it with you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 27, 28, 28, 29, 30 and 31 boats. 31 boats in Praveen's team. You can take all the boats back and you can go back to your chair. So 31 boats in Praveen's team. Okay, congratulations on the efforts though. That was a good effort. Now we go to Gabriel's team, okay? Gabriel from Goa. Oh, lots of boats there as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very quickly, Gabriel. 11. And Gabriel's team missed by just 1. 40 was by Shoaib Ansari, 39 by Gabriel and Praveen, 31. So we'll see now how much Faisal has done. So 1, 2, 3, very quickly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on, not counted. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hold on. Okay, 19. We'll give it to you. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Hold on. 34. Should we consider this? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 votes, 42, 43, 43 votes. So the winning team is Faisal and team members. Faisal and team members, come forward please to collect your prize. Please put the votes back in the bag. And I request the chairman, I request the CEO, Mr. Abdullah, to give the prize to the winning team. A big round of applause to the winning team. We have Amina going to give the prize. Faisal and team members, please come forward to the stage to collect a prize from Amina. A big round of applause to the winning team. On top. Come on, let's have a nice video taken of the winners. Please come forward. I'm told this is a Jackie group, so Jackie group, come forward please. And let's have a victory sign for the video. Captain, you got to share it. Thank you, Amina. Thank you so much. Jackie group. This is the Jackie group. Come on, give a victory sign. Give a victory sign for the video. Congratulations team members. Let's have a big round of applause once again for the team members. Okay.
Now we will start with the awards. This year also, same last year, we have many exciting awards to entertain our people and encourage our workers to continue with their good effort. But before giving the award, I just want to remind you something, that if somebody gets an award, it doesn't mean the others are not worth enough. It's not like that. You should take it as with a sportsman spirit that everybody cannot be a winner in any competition. So we need to choose somebody that is based on many elements: attitude, hard work, punctuality, accuracy, and many elements we analyze, and we finally decide on one person, because sometimes it is very difficult to select one person because all of you are good. But we have to give somebody. We cannot give everybody number one award. So we need to choose one of them. So please take it with a sportsman spirit. Don't tell that, oh, I did not get award, why he get award. That is, no, it's not there. Okay? Please, everybody is good, but this is to encourage others to work more hard. That's why we arrange this award system. So first award, I am going to announce the first one, which is, we call it Early Bird Award. Early Bird Award we normally give to our driving team. We have a very good driving team headed by Mr. Iqbal, logistic supervisor. So I would request Iqbal to come forward and open this award for Early Bird. Should be fast. Give him. Fast. Take.
Mr. Rashid. Rashid, no. Rashid,
Okay, the first Early Bird Award goes to Rashid, but unfortunately I think he's in vacation. It's vacation. No problem. You keep it here. When he comes back, tell him that. Okay, thank you, Iqbal. Now, next, this set of award, the second award is called Lab Man of the Year Award, which is normally we give to the best performer in the lab, which is under our Mr. Dev very soon. And before, Manoj was handling that. So, I would request Mr. Dev to come and open the award, please.
Okay, drum roll please for this. The Lab Man of the Year is Gabriel.
Keep the good work. Keep the good work. Give a big hand of applause. in this set of award, we are going to the last one in this set. Third one, we call it Technician of the Year. The technician, multi-technician who performed the best performance and no complaints and did this evaluation as accurately as possible to the standards and specifications and no done jobs on time. This is our criteria to select, plus attitudes and punctuality. So I would request Mr. Rafi to give 2 minutes to announce the award, please.
Technician of the Year. Shanawaz.
Keep your good work good. Thank you. Now, next award is called Safety Man of the Award, who maintained the good safety records on the work site, in the office, with the clients and without any complaint on safety. Every year we give an award called Safety Man of the Year. So, to announce the Safety Man of the Year, I would request our special guest Mr. Noor to come and open the award, please.
The safety awards goes to Mr. Thompson.
अब थोड़ा आवाज थोड़ा कम करेगा तो अच्छा है. आजू बाजू में आदमी लोग रहता है, सो थोड़ा कम करो प्लीज. Okay, now this set of award is completed.
Congratulations to all the winners. Gents, ladies, you're all winners because it is with your effort that interface is moving from strength to strength. There's one small request by the management of Karama Hotel that the residents are getting disturbed with the noise. So if we can just reduce the decibel, because we'll be having awards given further as the program goes forward. But a small request, and not to offend you, I'm sure you're very glad that your friends are getting the awards. But when you're clapping and applauding, please, if you can keep the decibel a little low, because there are residential apartments aside, plus this is a hotel apartment, so the guests are getting disturbed. A small request, yeah? Congratulations once again. And now, by popular demand, we are going to have a dance session where we are going to give prizes for the best dancers. So, can I have the 4 captains coming forward, please? Gabriel, Rifatullah. Can I have the 4 captains coming forward? Praveen? You don't have to dance, just the 4 captains. Come forward, please. The reason I've called these 4 gentlemen is I believe they're the most popular in your company. So if they call you on the microphone, you cannot disappoint them. Plus we have a bonus for you. If you dance and if your dance is selected to be the best among the others, you get a lovely prize, okay? So if you come forward without they calling you, that's the best. But if you're not going to come in the next 30 seconds, then I'll have to request them to call you forward. So let us see all of you coming forward for the dance session. Come on, let's see you all coming forward for the dance session. We have lovely prizes to give away. Come on. Okay, I'll give the microphone to Gabriel and the other captains to call your members one by one. Come on. Okay, captains, you can go back. I'm going to start the music. If you feel like dancing, come forward. I'll give you prizes. Come on. That's my promise. Are we ready? Here we go. Come on, we want to see some more on the dance floor. Come on. We're going to give prizes for the best dancers. Please come forward. on, keep dancing. The music is on.
லாட்டி மருந்து கணக்குன்னு வாச்சி எடுத்து பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கி ராசம் மாறி ஜமாக்குறாயா பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கி ராசம் மாறி ஜமாக்குறாயா சுருக்க இருக்கா முக்கா முழம் போட்டே மாறி கொழுந்து கபத்தில மாட்டி புடிச்சு பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கி ராசம் மாறி ஜமாக்குறாயா பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கி ராசம் மாறி ஜமாக்குறாயா டமாலே
Okay, we have identified a winner in this dance competition, and I'm going to that person and I'm going to ask Rachel to keep the prize ready, and I'm looking for that gentleman, yeah, with the band. Please come forward. Please come forward. And I request the CEO, Mr. Abdullah, to come forward and give the prize to the first winner in the dance competition. Congratulations. Your name? Ranjish. Ranjish is the winner.
Ranjish, before you are taking away this prize, I want you to say few words. How you learned this dance? And did you learn this in a ITI or did you learn before? Tell me, please.
मेरे को पहले से थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है लेकिन डांस उतना ही बस
ITI में आके कुछ सर्कस और डांस सीखा तुमने और नहीं? ITI में ज्वाइन करके कुछ सर्कस और डांस सीखा नहीं सीखा?
थोड़ा सा सर्कस सीखा.
Okay, we have an announcement to make, a happy announcement. Mr. Georgie is the father of a baby girl today. So a big round of applause for Mr. Georgie, one of your managers. Can I have Mr. Georgie coming forward, please? Mr. Georgie, congratulations on behalf of everyone from Interface and all the very best to your lovely family. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy the party. And we are going now next to the raffle draw. I hope you have the numbers with you. We are having the raffle draw, the first set of the raffle draw, and we have Rachel with the box, and we are going to request Mr. Abdullah again to come forward and pick up the lucky numbers. Mr. Abdullah, would you like to pick out the numbers? Or we'll request these young gentlemen to come forward. Come, don't feel shy, come forward. May I know your good name? Mohammed. Okay, Mohammed is going to pick up the first chit, and let's see who's going to be the lucky winner. Mohammed, any one chit, yeah? Just shake it. Okay. Pick out one. Okay, we'll give you an opportunity to read out the number on the mic loudly, yeah?
61.
61 is the winner. Anyone with 61? 61, look carefully. You've been given the numbers? Who is it? Rachel! Rachel is the first winner. Give her a big round of applause. And for this, I'll request the chairman, Mr. Rafi, to grace this floor with the first prize in the raffle draw. Mr. Rafi, if I can request you to come forward and give the very first prize to Rachel. Come on, let's hear a loud round of applause for Rachel. Rachel, pick out the biggest gift. Yeah, for the video, please come forward. Come on, let's see you clapping loudly for Rachel. Congratulations, Rachel. Thank you so much, Mohammed. And we're going to pick out one more. And I request this young gentleman to come forward. Please come forward. Please come forward. What's your name? Ajmal. Very nice. Come forward. Okay, pick out one number, Ajmal. You got to read it loud on the microphone, yeah?
71.
Oh, 71 this time. Come on, 71. Anyone with the number 71? Look carefully into your pockets. 71. 71 is the lucky winner. No one with 71? I hope you kept these numbers with you and not discarded them. 71. Someone should have it. Come on, look carefully into your pockets. We have a winner. Okay, here he comes. Oh, he's sending his daughter. Very nice. Please come forward. And we'll have Amina coming forward to give the prize. Thank you so much, Ajmal. Thank you so much. Thank you. A big round of applause. What's your daddy's name? Joy. Oh, this is Joy's daughter. Congratulations, Joy. You can take your prize from Miss Amina. Congratulations. Come on, let's see you clapping loudly. Congratulations to the winners. With that, now we go to the second set of awards, and I hand over the microphone to your CEO, Mr. Abdullah.
Before going ahead, I just want to thank some of the who shared our sponsorship. Like we have few gifts we received from some of our suppliers. So I read out their name: German Imaging Technologies, Emirates Photo Marketing, Advantage Media Service, Alpha Tech, Good News Media Services, Turgeon International, and Taisir Industrial. Give a big hands for them, please. Okay, now we will go to next set of awards. Please give me the list. You need to be faster. I want to say that at 9 o'clock we will break. Okay. 9 o'clock we will break for dinner. Dinner is getting ready. So half an hour we will give you to have your wonderful dinner. Then we will continue again. Before that, we will go to the next set of awards. Okay, now we are into almost 10 years. We have many employees. We stayed with us long time. We always honor them. Whoever stays with us longer, we honor them more. That's why we started a long service award system. So whoever completes 5 years, they get an award. When they complete 10 years, whoever completes 10 years, we will again give them award. When they complete 15 years, we'll give them beggar award. That's what our plan. So this year we have, 5 years? 5 years. We have this year 5 years award, which is who has completed 5 years by January or December 2013, December 31st, 2013, we have chosen them to give this award. So I would request, instead of wasting time, I will just try to call the names. The first one in the list is Agil Ravindran, multi-technician, who completed 5 years. Agil, please come to the stage. This time I will request our chairman to hand over all long service award. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry for disturbing you to come. If you can sit here, that's good. Okay, Mr. Agil, before giving you the award, I want you to say something about interface. How come, what speciality forced you to stay with ITI long time, please? In Hindi or Malayalam?
Actually, I'm in 5 years completed interface. Okay, I'm no problem. It is I don't know what can I do.
Okay, thank you, Agil. Thank you. Keep it up. Keep it up. We want to see you here another 10 years. Okay? Okay, thank you. Next in the list is Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar, technician, MT PCN technician, Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar, VK is a very efficient technician, UT technician. He is in one of our very prestigious project in Sharjah. He is one of the leading technician there. Thank you for being with us. I hope you will be with us another 10 years, at least. Please, Chairman. Next in the list is Arun Kumar, RTMTPT technician. Arun Kumar, thank you for being with us 5 years. Hope you will be more with us. So I want you to say something. Why you been with us all these 5 years? What is the reason?
Hello everybody. इंटरफेस का तरफ से मेरे को अच्छा काम मिला है, मैं बहुत खुशी हूँ. अभी भी अच्छा सर्विस मिल रहा है, मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर इंटरफेस.
Thank you very much. Be with us. Thank you, Anil. Okay, next in the list is Jaydev Bera. Where is Mr. Bera? Bera, कैसा है? Okay, 5 साल हो गया ना? कैसा लगता है?
ठीक है सर.
ITI के बारे में थोड़ा हिंदी में बात कर सकता है? Okay, करो.
इंटरफेस में काम करके मैं अभी 5 साल मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया ऑलरेडी, तो आई एम हैप्पी।
ओके, थैंक यू। अच्छा हो गया, 5 साल है, अभी और 10 साल रहने का, अच्छा काम करने का, अच्छा तरक्की करने का। ओके, थैंक यू। Next in the list is our great Shivadas. Where is Shivadas? Shivadas and daughter is here to receive the prize. Shivadas, you have completed 5 years. You are from the beginning of our mechanical lab. I know that you have supported us lot of ways to set up our mechanical lab. So please say some words about ITA.
Thank you, Interface, all chairman and CEO, everybody. Thanks. I don't know this 5 years how it's a path. Everybody, I'll appreciate this 5 years how it's complete. I don't know. I am very, very happy to everybody. Okay.
Okay, now recently the Das has a different role, an additional role. Now he's a scare to our clients, nightmare to our clients. He's going and collecting our money. So we need to give him a big hand. Thank you.
Congratulations once again to the winners, the second batch of winners. We are now going to the next raffle draw. So please ensure that your numbers are with you. If you don't have it, you're going to be at a loss. We're going to have the next lot of raffle numbers picked out, and I request Rachel to come forward with the bowl. We are going to have the raffle draw for the next batch. We'll ask Amina to come forward and pick out one number of the lucky winner. Okay, Amina is going to pick out one number. Let's see who's the winner. Amina, come inside. Rachel, come for the video. One for the video. Okay, let's see who's going to be the lucky winner. And the number picked out is
74.
74. Who has 74? Okay, we'll ask Rachel to give the award. Your name?
Ashur.
Ashin. Ashir is the winner, and we'll ask Rachel to give the award. Big round of applause to Ashir again. Okay, there's one more number going to be picked out. And I'll request you gentlemen come forward, please. Mr. Ahmed is going to pick out one number. Let's have it on the microphone.
83.
83. Who has 83? Oh, you have 83. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. I'll request you, Ahmed, to give the prize to Ajmal, right? Congratulations, Ajmal, once again. A big round of applause to Ajmal. Big round of applause. Congratulations. Ladies and gents, now we'll proceed to the dinner table, and I'll hand over the microphone to Mr. Abdullah again before we proceed to dinner. So get ready. The buffet table is ready, but I hand over the microphone to Mr. Abdullah.
We used to conduct regular cricket matches within ITI. We have 2 teams, Wonder Boys and South Riders. Now who is the winner? Who is the winner? Who is the winner? Wonderful. Okay, today we had match. Wonder Boys is the winner. So we have a special prize for them. So I would request the captain of Wonder Boys to come to the stage. I would request our young HR Amina to deliver that bat. Captain of the winning team, Wonder Boys. See, this is our Wonder Boys. Then next we need to start doing match with other companies, so we will have a program this year. Okay, now related to cricket, we have one more cup for the man of the match. Who is the man of the match? Tell me, who is the man of the match? Okay, come on, Chanavas. Come to the stage. I would request Kia to hand over the prize. Big applause, please. Okay, now we can proceed to the buffet. Okay, please. Half an hour break. During that time, Rukia will entertain us with some karaoke numbers. Please proceed to the buffet. Please give chance for the ladies to go first. Ladies first, please.
ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
തസ്ബീഹ് മണികൾ എണ്ണി ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ചൊല്ലാം സിക്റുകൾ തക്ബീർ വചനം കോർത്ത് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് പാടാം ശുക്റുകൾ കാരുണ്യക്കടലല്ലാ കാവലും നീയാണല്ലാ കൈവേഗണേ തുണയേകണേ ഇരുകൈകൾ നീട്ടിടാം നിന്നെ തേടിടാം ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
ആയിരമായിരം താരകപ്പൂക്കൾ മിന്നും ലൈലിലേ ആകാശത്തെ അമ്പിളി വെട്ടം പെയ്യും രാവിലെ ആലമു ഫൈബുകളായി തീർന്നേ ഇന്നീ കൽബിലേ ആശകളെല്ലാം വീട്ടി തന്നേ ഇന്നീ കൽബിലേ കാരുണ്യക്കടലല്ലാ കാവൽ നീയാണല്ലാ കനിവേഗണേ തുണയേകണേ ഇരു കൈകൾ നീട്ടിടാം നിന്നെ തേടിടാം ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
പാപം ഏറെ ചെയ്ത് റബ്ബേ ഇന്നീ ഭൂമിയിലേ മാപ്പ് തന്ന് കാത്തിടണേ ഇന്നീ മണ്ണിലേ മരണം വന്ന് വിളിക്കും നേരം വരണം നിന്നിലേ മന്നാനെ നീ മാനേറ്റി എന്നും കൽബിലേ കാരുണ്യക്കടലല്ലാ കാവലും നീയാണല്ലാ കനിവേഗണേ തുണയേകണേ ഇരു കൈകൾ നീട്ടിടാം നിന്നെ തേടിടാം ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
തസ്ബീഹ് മണികൾ എണ്ണി ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ചൊല്ലാം സിക്റുകൾ തക്ബീർ വചനം കോർത്ത് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് പാടാം ശുക്റുകൾ കാരുണ്യക്കടലല്ലാ കാവൽ നീയാണല്ലാ കനിവേഗണേ തുണയേകണേ ഇരു കൈകൾ നീട്ടിടാം നിന്നെ തേടിടാം ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
ബിസ്മില്ല ബിസ്മില്ല റബ്ബിലോതാം ബിസ്മില്ല ശുക്രല്ലാ ശുക്രല്ലാ റബ്ബേ നിന്നിൽ ശുക്രല്ലാ
झोली में तो फूल थे खाली, छीन लिए वो भी काहे तूने ओ बेईमान बहारो। आया रे खिलौने वाला खेल खिलौने लेके आया रे, आया रे, आया रे खिलौने वाला खेल खिलौने लेके आया रे, आया रे। देखो मैंने गुड्डे की शादी है रचाई, देखो मैंने गुड्डे की शादी है रचाई, मेरी प्यारी गुड़िया की बारात है आई। गोरी चली बाबुल के घर से डोली ले आओ बहारो। आया रे खिलौने वाला खेल खिलौने लेके आया रे, आया रे, आया रे खिलौने वाला खेल खिलौने लेके आया रे, आया रे। आओ मेरी आँख के तारों कहाँ गए हो मेरे प्यारों। तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार है, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। आखिरी पल है, आखिरी आहें तुझे ढूंढ रही है, डूबती सांसें बुझती निगाहें तुझे ढूंढ रही है। सामने आ जा एक बार, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। दोनों जहां की भेंट चढ़ा दी मैंने चाह में तेरी, अपने बदन की खाक मिला दी मैंने राह में तेरी। अब तो चली आ इस बार, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। इतने युगों तक इतने दुखों को कोई सह ना सकेगा, तेरी कसम मुझे तू है किसी की कोई कह ना सकेगा। मुझसे है तेरा इकरार, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। तेरी नजर की ओस पड़े तो बुझे प्यास मिलन की। तेरे बदन की ओट हटे तो रहे लाज लगन की। मिल जाए चैन करार, आजा मैं तो मिटाऊं तेरी चाह में। तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार।
Big round of applause. Big round of applause to Faisal. Friends, due to time constraints, we are going to have the next sets of awards, and also we are going to have the raffle draw, and we will have 2 more games if all of you are present here. So we are going to have the next set of awards given away shortly. So please clap as loud as you can, but please don't scream because we have a particular decibel volume here. So you can clap as much as you want as I hand over the microphone to Mr. Abdullah.
Before going to next awards, I just want to announce something, that we have chosen few long service awards. For that, we have some sponsored gifts which is laying here. I would request Raki to announce the names, and I would request Hiba, our wonderful daughter of our chairman, to hand over the gifts to the long service man here. Please come with and read the names. Come with that award and read the names, please. Not award, it's sponsored gifts.
Akhil. Anil Kumar VK. And Arun Kumar. Joy Dev Vera.
We now go on to the raffle draw. We're going to have lucky numbers picked up. So gentlemen, ladies, please look at the chit which have the numbers, and we're going to pick out the lucky winners shortly.
Okay, she will go around with the ball, the lucky ball. She will ask somebody to pick the number so that we know who is the winner.
Number 94. Who has got number 94? 94 is the lucky number. We have a winner there. Please come forward to the stage to collect your prize.
Wonderful Iqbal's wonderful daughter.
Come on, let's see you clap. What's your name?
Nehma.
Nehma. Nehma is a winner. A big round of applause to Nehma, the lucky winner. Okay, which is this number, Rachel?
80.
Number 80. 80. Very quickly. Okay, we have a winner here. Mohammed is a winner. A big round of applause. And Mr. Abdullah is going to give the prize to Mohammed.
Come. So how you become so
I think
lucky
so the
today?
chairman has got a winning family today.
Say something. Thank you very much.
Come on, let's see you clapping for Mohammed. Congratulations, Mr. Joe Matthew.
Thank you.
49.
Number 49.
4 and 9. Who's got 49? Okay, we have a winner here.
Irfan, our great technician.
Irfan is the winner. Let's hear you. Let's hear it for Irfan. Come on.
I think it's very
Let's hear
heavy.
you clapping for Irfan.
It's very heavy. My God. Okay, thank you.
Some more? I think so. One more chit was picked up. One number was picked up by. That was 6 and 8. 68. Who has got 68? That is 8 and 9.
Tell me what's your name and tell me something about ITI.
Yes, I am Siddiq Sharki, and I have a good connection with ITI. I now working with our sister consign. His name is Icon Technical Solution. Thank you.
What you are going to do this? This is, I think, 1 million dirham in it. What you are going to do with this?
I will check and I will come back.
Mr. Abdullah, if that is 1 million dirham, he'll leave your company and go away. So
No,
don't
no,
tell
no,
him
no,
that.
no, no.
He'll start his own business.
Yes.
What you will do? You will start your own business with 1 million dirham?
No, no, I will start on business in India.
Very good, very clear. Thank you.
We have 3 more lucky winners going to be announced very shortly. Let's see who are those lucky winners.
33.
33.
Number
Anyone with 33?
Please.
Okay, we have a South Indian star. What's your name?
Rajinikanth.
Srijit.
Rajinikanth.
Srijit, straight from the Malayalam movies, has come here. Okay.
Okay, tell me what's your name. Tell me something about ITI.
I'm Srijit. I'm very, very happy to working with Interface Technical Inspection. Okay.
Thank you. This is 1 million dirham. What you are going to do with this?
First I will check, sir. First I need to check this side. Don't believe me, right? Okay. Okay, thank you.
You have another lucky winner. Number 14. Who is the winner? Please come up. Number 14. 1 4. 1
Anyone
4.
with 14 is the next winner.
The luckiest man in the
Okay,
world
that is
today.
Akhil, I believe. Come on, let's hear it for Akhil. A big round of applause.
Okay, why you are so lucky today?
Sir, actually, this is not me. This is that person. I am not coming. This is not coming. He is not coming.
After both of you don't fight this for this 1 million dirham, you know? Huh? Okay, now this is 1 million dirham. What you are going to do with this? Tell me in Malayalam.
No problem, sir. I will actually. First, I will check. I will check this one. Sir, I will check this one. After.
Come back to me and you will give me half? You will give me half?
Yeah, oh, definitely. I will give to her. Okay.
And it is 8 and 7.
87.
8 and 7 is the next winner.
87. Look
Anyone
at
with
your numbers.
87?
Who has 87?
No one with 87?
This is original. Other one is duplicate. Show me your number. Did you print this now or?
Okay, that's Akhil again. A big round of applause. Big round of applause.
Okay, no problem. Again another 1 million. So you owe me what? 1 million.
I will give to you, sir. Definitely, I will give it to you. Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay, now what is next?
The mega prize, as you see there, is the LG flat screen TV.
40-inch LED.
It's a 48 LED, 48 inches LED TV. Let us see who's going to bring that prize. And for the moment, we are going to have the karaoke singing by Mayur is going to sing a song from the film Agnipath. Let's hear it for Mayur. Come on, let's see you clapping for Mayur.
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी जगी धड़कन नहीं जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो भी कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहा था मेरा अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी जलते हुए तन को छाया पेड़ की मिल गई, रूठे बच्चे की हंसी जैसे फुसलाने से फिर खिल गई। कुछ ऐसा ही महसूस दिल को हो रहा है, बरसों के पुराने जख्मों पे मरहम लगा सा है। कुछ ऐसा रहम इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा। दूर से टूटी पतंग जैसे थी ये जिंदगानी मेरी, आज हो कल हो मेरा ना हो, हर दिन थी कहानी मेरी। एक बंधन नया पीछे से अब मुझको बुलाए, आने वाले कल की क्यों फिक्र मुझको सता जाए। एक ऐसी चुभन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा। Thank you so much. Thank you.
Before going to the next number, I just want to announce another special thing. I mentioned to you about our cricket team and the yearly cricket match. As an appreciation of this program, we have a special gift from our chairman, 2 bats to deliver. For each, I would request the captain of each team come to the stage and pick up the bat. Very special bat purchased for you people. Please. Who is that? Prasad and who is that? Shoaib and Prasad, 2 captains, come to the stage, please. First. Who is that? 2 captains? 2 captains. I would request Mr. Rafi to. This is, what is that? No, what is your team name?
Wonder Boys.
Wonder Boys.
Yes.
How was the game today?
Yeah, this is a very good game, and South Rider also will played, and so 16-over match today, and we chased the 1-0 to win.
16-hour match?
16-over match, and South Rider scored 101, and we chased the 102.
Very close, very nice. Also, we can form a combined team and start to fight with other companies now?
Yeah, of course. If you give me chance, I can fight to another team also.
Definitely, I will give you a chance. Thank you. Okay, next. Tell me what's your name?
अजीश.
Tell me about the game today. How is the game?
अच्छा गेम था, वो अच्छा मैच था, अभी भी ऐसा होने का.
Why you became second?
हाँ?
Why you didn't become the winner?
हमारे पास लक नहीं था, इसलिए हम हार गया. वही है.
Okay, that's a good idea. Not only luck, you need to do hard work. Next time, you should be the winner. And combinedly, we should fight with other companies next time. Okay? Thank you very much.
അബൂബക്കർ സിദ്ദീഖ് പൂമോൾക്ക് ആരംഭമേറുന്ന കല്യാണം അഷ്റഫ് ഹൽക്ക് നബിയോരിൽ ആയിഷ കാനന്ദ കല്യാണം ചന്ദിര സുന്ദര ബീവിക്ക് ചിന്തയിൽ വിരിയുന്ന കല്യാണം ഒളിത്തളി വിളങ്ങുന്ന മഹമൂദിൻ മണിമങ്ക കിണങ്ങുന്ന കല്യാണം അബൂബക്കർ സിദ്ദീഖ് പൂമോൾക്ക് ആരംഭമേറുന്ന കല്യാണം അഷ്റഫ് ഹൽക്ക് നബിയോരിൽ ആയിഷ കാനന്ദ കല്യാണം കുസൃതികൾ നിറഞ്ഞുള്ള കളിക്കുട്ടി പ്രായത്തിൽ ആഹതവൻ വീതിക്കൊത്ത കല്യാണം അഹ്മദിൽ ഒരുമിക്കാൻ ഉടയവൻ കനിഞ്ഞുള്ള അതിർപ്പത്തിൽ ഒരുക്കിയ കല്യാണം കുസൃതികൾ നിറഞ്ഞുള്ള കളിക്കുട്ടി പ്രായത്തിൽ ആഹതവൻ വീതിക്കൊത്ത കല്യാണം അഹ്മദിൽ ഒരുമിക്കാൻ ഉടയവൻ കനിഞ്ഞുള്ള അതിർപ്പത്തിൽ ഒരുക്കിയ കല്യാണം കിളിമകൾ വാർക്ക നീരുന്നു ഉലഹിക മർഹബ പാടുന്നു മണിമങ്ക പുലകത്തിലാടുന്നു മണിമങ്ക പീരശത്തിൽ കൂടുന്നു അബൂബക്കർ സിദ്ദീഖ് പൂമോൾക്ക് ആരംഭമേറുന്ന കല്യാണം അഷ്റഫ് ഹൽക്ക് നബിയോരിൽ ആയിഷ കാനന്ദ കല്യാണം ബദറുൽ റസൂലുള്ള ചിതമുടെ മഹറിൽ സുഹൃതത്തിൽ നടത്തിയ കല്യാണം പദവികൾ പെരുത്തിട്ടും മതവുകൾ പുലർത്തിയ കനിവൂര് മകളത്തെ കല്യാണം ബദറുൽ റസൂലുള്ള ചിതമുടെ മഹറിൽ സുഹൃതത്തിൽ നടത്തിയ കല്യാണം പദവികൾ പെരുത്തിട്ടും മതവുകൾ പുലർത്തിയ കനിവൂര് മകളത്തെ കല്യാണം പൂരികൾ മംഗളം നീരുന്നു മലക്കുകൾ തസ്ബീഹ് ചെല്ലുന്നു മാലോകരൊക്കെ വാഴ്ത്തുന്നു മനസ്സത്തെ സുബ്രഗത്തിലാടുന്നു അബൂബക്കർ സിദ്ദീഖ് പൂമോൾക്ക് ആരംഭമേറുന്ന കല്യാണം അഷ്റഫ് ഹൽക്ക് നബിയോരിൽ ആയിഷ കാനന്ദ കല്യാണം ചന്ദിര സുന്ദര ബീവിക്ക് ചിന്തയിൽ വിരിയുന്ന കല്യാണം ഒളിത്തിളി വിളങ്ങുന്ന മഹമൂദിൻ മണിമങ്ക കിണങ്ങുന്ന കല്യാണം അബൂബക്കർ സിദ്ദീഖ് പൂമോൾക്ക് ആരംഭമേറുന്ന കല്യാണം അഷ്റഫ് ഹൽക്ക് നബിയോരിൽ ആയിഷ കാനന്ദ കല്യാണം.
A big round of applause to Rashid. Big round of applause.
In which standard you are studying?
Third.
Third standard. Which is?
Radiant.
Very good. Congratulations. say something. Just now our chairman has requested me. He want to offer a special gift to somebody who had put their lot of effort to make this event here, and the arrangement and coordination of things and arranging the gift. So I would request Mr. Chairman to come to the stage and offer the gift, please.
Amina and Rachel, come to the stage.
Okay, this is a special gift from our chairman for both of your effort and dedication and the arrangement what you people are did. So please accept.
Big round of applause to Amina and Rachel who have worked hard to make this party possible. Come on, louder round of applause. I can't hear you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Chairman. Okay, it's not only them. Many people had put their lot of efforts, but in the front we can see that two ladies has done lot of things to have this event like this. So we should appreciate them. Anyway, especially from Chairman. Now, next you are going to what? Gift?
There are 144 balloons in the packet, yeah? In each packet there are 144 balloons. Come on, let's see which team makes the longest line. There are 144 balloons.
Tonight I'm yours. We can make it happen, I'm so sure.
Remaining. Only 3 minutes. You have 1 minute remaining. 1 minute only.
Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, stop everybody, stop. We're going to check which team has blown the maximum balloons. Stop everybody, stop. All the members back to your chairs, everybody back to your chairs.
Semi-mega prize winner is Kezia Joy. Kezia Joy, please. Thank you, Sheikh. So the name is C.R. Nair. Tell me what is your name?
C.R. Nair.
What we call it? What normally people call it?
Pillai.
Why Pillai become Nair? Okay, congratulations. You have won the TV. Okay, very good, and you can watch your big movies now. Congratulations again. Thank you. So this year Zero Defect Award, we will request Mr. Rafi, Chairman, to announce the award and give away the award, please.
Zero Defect Award. Any guess? Zero Defects Award. Who? Oh, great. Pradhan.
Thank you, and congratulations, Mr. Pradhan. Very good work. Continue with the work. Before going away, stand here. Please say few words how you reached to this zero defects and zero safety problems and zero complaints. Can you tell to everybody how to maintain this, how they can reach to this award?
अच्छा से काम करने का, केयरफुली, थोड़ा धीरे से देखने का, कैसे कैसे काम करने का, आराम से काम करने का, किधर भी साइट पे जाएगा तो सेफ्टी में काम करने का. सेफ्टी इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. ओके, थैंक यू.
Good slogan. Safety is more important in our life. अच्छा बनाया ना? Thank you very much. Okay, now the last and final, the biggest award of the year. We are going to announce the final and the biggest award of the year before the closing down. We don't know who is the luckiest person that. I would request our chairman to open the envelope and announce the name, please.
Employee of the Year, Mr. Joy Matthew.
Congratulations, Mr. Joy Matthew. Please come and stay here. Joy Matthew has done a wonderful job last year. Almost to achieve our 20% or 30% growth, input from Joy was tremendous, and we need him to reach our goal of 70% next year. That's what we are expecting from you. Now I would like you to say a few words about ITA and what is your plan.
Thank you. Thank you, Interface team. Once again, thank you for the body to choosing me to give this awards. I think 2009, I joined this company. In that time, it was the toughest situation in our company because, you know, everybody knows that our turnover is very less. I think it was around 250,000. After that, everybody put their effort in that level. That's why we got the current situation in the total target. Anyway, last year we got our the target level. Next year also we are planning to put more effort to achieve that whatever we decide that target. We will get, you know, that which is everybody support and your effort and your hard work. I know we can reach in that level. I am requesting once again everybody's request and everybody's effort for the request. Thank you for the body.
Thank you, Joy. We expect you to do more. We want to reach. See, in front of chairman, I am telling you, take it as a challenge. We need to reach to 70% growth. Thank you and best wishes for you. Thank you. Please. Now we have a test here. I have given a task to our beautiful Amina to teach English to 2 people here. Because we started a training program because we want to improve I know that everybody working hard, everybody talented, technically everybody is sound. But some people have difficulty in talking in English, communicating in English, writing in English. So I have given Amina a task to teach at least 2 people to communicate in English. So we started a rule in the office not to talk in Malayalam, not to talk in English, and not to talk in Hindi, only English. So I have given that task to Amina. So Amina's 2 students, I would request them to come to the stage, then tell me something in English. If they are good, I will give a present to Amina. Please. That is, one is Big Jafar and Kader. Please come to the stage. Big Jafar, Mota Jafar, come please. Jafar, you see, here comes the Jafar. So, why? This is, these 2 are very good in their work. They know how to handle the client, they know how to handle the technician, they know how to handle the report. But they had a problem, English communication. So I have given that task to Amina to teach them English. Now, I want to see what Amina taught them. Okay. Now first, you tell me, if one of the client call you today and tell, now I want a crew. So you should tell him, if you, कल बोलता तो मैं क्रू भेजता था. कादर, एक क्लाइंट बोलता है तुम्हारा रिपोर्ट में बहुत गलती होता है, तुम उसको बोलना मांगता है, तुम्हारा रिक्वेस्ट में बराबर नंबर नहीं लिखा. बोलो इंग्लिश में.
Request is wrong. You want right? Very good. Yeah. You clear that request and the report will be correct.
Friends of ITI, it has been a wonderful evening, wasn't it? Did everybody enjoy? Okay, I need you to give a big round of applause to your chairman, Mr. Rafi, to your CEO, Mr. Abdullah, and a loud round of applause to ITI. Big round of applause. All of you have taken this company forward with your hard work, your dedication and efforts. And for the final vote of thanks, I will request Mr. Rafi to come for one last time. The CEO, Mr. Abdullah, for one last time, Mr. Abdullah will come and thank you all for coming here. He will tell you all in his words how memorable this day was for him, and he will thank you all on the microphone.
Thank you, and it was a wonderful evening. First of all, I want to thank you, the organizing committee. Many people are involved. but we had given special prizes by our chairman to the ladies who is involved in that. Thank you very much again for coming here and participating in this program. And as a including with thanks, I want to tell you, next year we need to have more better party, more better enjoyment, more better life for the employees, more better profit for the investors. So we all need to work together to achieve our target, achieve our goals. So I request you all, keep the same pace, same enthusiasm, same hard work to reach to more heights and bring ITI to #1 company in the UAE. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for all attending here, and thank you. And we declare the party is closed. You can go home safely and go to work tomorrow early morning. Thank you very much. Bye.